Hey, it's Jason with Carolina Cooker. Today we are talking high pressure and low pressure burners and regulator systems. Any propane, gas, fryer, grill that you have will run off of either a high pressure or a low pressure system. What we're talking about today are the differences in each and what to look for the next time that you're shopping for a burner or fryer. It's important to start this video with what we're not doing today, and that's recommending a low pressure or high pressure system for a burner that you already have. Burners are made with specific orifices and are made to run off of the PSI that they're manufactured at. So always consult your manual or your manufacturer on whether you have a high pressure or low pressure burner. So low pressure regulators are great at producing a consistent flame for a long amount of time. Low pressure is defined as less than 1 PSI, and it's usually a fixed regulator where you don't have any adjustment, but you'll see the adjustment on the piece in the form of a knob or valve. These low pressure systems work great in gas grills, pig cookers, and camp stoves. So remember, with low pressure, less than 1 PSI, steady, consistent flame that you can hold a temperature for hours, and uses less propane over time. Okay, switching gears, now we're going to talk about high pressure burners and regulators. So high pressure burners are made to reach very hot temperatures very quickly. These burners are ideal for fryers, stew pots, stock pots, woks, and discas. Okay, so that's the basics of low pressure and high pressure regulator systems. Hopefully that'll help make it easier the next time you're shopping for a burner. Please feel free to check out our selection at carolinacooker.com, and remember, always consult your manufacturer and manual for any burner that you might have on whether it uses low pressure or high pressure. Thanks.